Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and one must-have item for every kitchen is a high-quality cutting board. And I have found mine in this beautiful black walnut cutting board from Dofira. This is made of a premium black walnut. It has a beautiful wood grain, and it's so rich in color that I actually love to use this to display in my kitchen when I'm not using it. I also really love that it has a nice large cutting surface. This allows me to cut up a variety of different vegetables or fruits when I'm using it with plenty of room to spare. I really appreciate that it is dual-sided, so you can use one side for a cutting board and the other side for a serving tray if you like. The deep juice groove around the outside really came in handy when I was cutting some extremely juicy fruit, so I love that about this cutting board. This can also be used as a serving tray as well. The beautifulness and elegance of this will surely impress your guests no matter what type of food you decide to display on it. So whether you're looking for a beautiful display piece, an elegant serving board, or a top quality cutting board, this is an excellent choice from Dofira. And that's just my point of view.